Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dara and today I am back with a brand new tapping script for you. This script is all about manifesting a bit of extra cash. Specifically, we are going to be tapping to attract an extra £1,000 this week. Now, obviously, if you are outside of the UK, you can substitute pounds for your own currency, but the point is we are trying to magnetize a juicy, abundant 1k this week. So take a sip of water and we will begin. All you have to do is repeat the words I'm saying after me, tapping through the different tapping points as we go. We're going to kick off now by tapping on the side of your hand. I really need to make an extra £1,000. And I need to make it ASAP. I need that money. I have costs to cover. And I don't know where I'll find the funds. I need to make an extra £1,000. But I'm worried I won't be able to make it happen on command. And even though I haven't always immediately manifested everything I desire, I deeply and completely love and respect myself. I accept all the choices I've made, even the ones that haven't served me long term. And I forgive anyone else who has played a part in this being my reality. Okay, breathe in and out. Tapping through the rest of the points now. I need to make an extra £1,000 this week. I have something that I need to be able to pay for soon. So I need that money to come in. I need that £1,000 in my bank account. And I don't know where it's going to come from. I feel like I've tried everything. All the usual tactics that help me make money. I've posted fairly consistently. I've stayed in touch with people in my community. I've made offers. And yet for some reason, I'm not making as many sales as I could be. And I can't afford for this to keep happening. I need to make £1,000 this week. There are no two ways about it. I need to make more money. It's the only way I'll feel safe. It's the only way I'll feel taken care of. It's the only way I'll have the freedom to pay for the things and the experiences that I want. Because I am done with being in survival mode. I am done with only being able to cover the basics. I was not put on this earth to live a less than life. To feel restricted. Like I'm always scrimping and saving. Just to live a half-decent life. I want more than half decent. I want a spacious life and a spacious bank account. I want an exciting life and an exciting bank account. I want a generous life and a generous bank account. I want an abundant life and a truly abundant bank account. I want a life filled with opportunity and a bank account that offers me the same. And I know that I have the power to create that for myself. I have the power to generate all the income I need and more. Enough to comfortably cover my bills. Enough to allow me the luxuries that make me feel cherished. Enough to save for my future. Enough to share with causes that speak to my heart. Enough to create unforgettable experiences. I have the power to have more than enough. And a big piece of that involves releasing my old patterns, stories, and limits. To make space for more magnetism, more wealth, and more manifestation. So I'm releasing all of that junk now. I'm releasing it from my body and my mind. I'm releasing it from my energetic imprint. And I'm definitely releasing it from my mouth. Because I am committed to creating the life I want. And that starts with attracting an extra £1,000 this week. So now that I've cleared my path and let go of those negative patterns, those outdated stories, and those pointless limitations, I am prepared to manifest £1,000. I know that I have what it takes. I know that I'm more than capable of making an extra £1,000. I know I am primed to receive that money. That I have the knowledge and the creative ideas to make it happen easily. Now that I've declared my desire, I'm going out into the world, keeping my energy on point and my goal front of mind. I can do this because I'm already wealthy. I'm already abundant. And all I'm asking for is more of the same. Okay, take a deep breath in, holding at the top. Follow this or any tapping with drinking plenty of water, and just keep a journal handy in case any thoughts come up, any ideas come up that will help you manifest that extra £1,000. And I highly recommend, when you are tapping, to create a specific money goal that you commit to revisiting that tapping script every single day for at least 7 days. As you know, tapping has an amazing compounded effect. So all you're going to be doing is making it even easier for yourself to create that result. Don't forget to hit subscribe before you go so that you don't miss my next upload, and I will see you then.